got everything in Africa.
Green grass.
You have been raising a family of 2.
For sure.
With this recycling.
This thing.
And you are not ashamed with it?
No.
Guys, do you know that recycling can give you $100 a day? If you don't know, come and ask my brother. Let's take this journey seriously, guys. Let's go together. I'll be asking your support in any way. Watching my video, sharing my video is a big support. You will never know how important is it for me knowing that you spend your time watching my video. I love you guys. Seriously. I really love you guys. I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay? We can grow. We are here to grow. And we are here to share. Look here. Look what happened. Hey, look what happened in the shoes. I have to take it out. You see? That is my sandal. My brother is here is recycling carton box. You see? Yeah. Sorry, my brother. What's your name?
Zondi.
Zondi. Zondi.
That's my surname.
Your surname. Your job is to recycling.
My job is to recycling.
Do you do it every day?
I do it every day, Monday to Sunday. Yes.
Tell me about your beautiful job.
Actually, this thing I started long time ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one I started long time ago. Since I started this thing, I found myself good is the way to survive.
Yeah.
So I didn't mind government about this offer, whatever, what doing to the people.
Yeah.
Man, I just pick up myself to tell myself good to know this is a job.
Is it possible for you to feed your own family, as you said?
As you say, I feed my own family. My children are going to school because of this.
Are you married?
Me? No. I'm preparing to
But
marry.
you are a father?
I'm a father.
Of how many?
Yes, of 2.
You raise your children, 2 children, out of this recycling job?
Yeah.
Okay, in the morning, what time did you start it?
In the morning, I started around 3 o'clock in the morning. Why
3 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah.
Are you lazy at home? He wake up at 3 o'clock to start his recycling business. As you can see now, he collecting boxes in this big, look here. In this big bag. He collect this thing in the morning. He start at 3 o'clock. And you end up what time, brother?
I end up around 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock?
Yeah, after
PM.
Maybe, PM.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 p.m., 3 p.m. because we are many of us. Find me by the Glenville, Pasonia, you can find me Norwood, you can find me, what you call, Mondio, they name it. Yeah, it's where we do this thing.
Oh, so, I'm so impressed. Eh?
Yes.
Okay, look, this thing is too big.
This thing is too big.
But how will you carry this thing?
I have a trolley there.
Oh, so
That's
you're gonna put this into this car?
Yeah.
Wow. So you're going to carry this big box in this trolley?
Yeah.
And from here, where are you going to?
I'm going to there by the court.
Next to the court up there.
You see where we are plenty of us.
Yeah.
Next to the garage.
Yes.
Is where we put our stuff.
Is it there that you sell it?
No, there we just keep our stuff to sort our stuff, and then end of the month is where we sell.
Oh, so you sell it only end of the month?
Only end of the month.
You only sell it once a month?
Once.
So you can collect many bags like this?
Like this. As I speak now, I have plenty of this.
Tell me, how many bags can you fill like this a day?
A day I can make them 4.
4 bags?
4 bags.
So my brother can make 4 bags of this. He can make 4 bags of this a day. He make this bag a day, 4. And then he's going to put it on stock. You're going to stock the bag.
I'm stocking the bag.
You stock the bag.
Yeah.
And then after you stock the bag, you will sell it in the end of the month.
Yeah, because you see, like this box is fine. But they don't buy it the way it is.
Yeah.
Because of this, it's different. You see, this one is
like a paper.
It's like a paper. This one is a hard one.
Hard one,
this
yeah.
Is a cardboard.
Yes.
So I must sort it, and even there I must sort it.
The hard one in the one bag.
In the one bag.
And the soft one in another bag.
And separately, yeah. I will separate all of this.
Before you sell it. Reclaiming the future.
For sure.
Exactly. Yeah. Reclaiming the future. Yeah. So Reclaiming the Future is the organization.
It's an organization
from which government. There's from the government.
From government. Is the one who gives us support on what we do.
Okay.
Yeah. So you see this Coca-Cola, something like this.
Yeah.
Those sponsors at the back of my uniform. The sponsors every maybe a year or 6 months. they will put something nyana to our account.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that we give thanks to collect the recycling for us.
Tell
like,
me.
like Coca-Cola is gonna come for Coke.
Yeah.
And then milk, and it is Clover. Clover is gonna come for Clover for his container. And then the boxes, those who make papers and what covers for the for school children, for the book of school children, they will come and collect it.
Tell me. One box like this can weight like how many kgs when you make it full? How many kgs?
This one is too light. If I make it full, you can't even pick up. You need forklift.
Really?
Yeah.
And then you can be how many kgs?
It can something like 300 and something.
For one bag like this?
Because I'm still gonna put some water nyana.
How much one box can cost?
Because now the kilos of this recycling is down. And it is low shedding.
Yeah.
Low shedding, the more is low shedding, kilos it become down. But when low shedding come end, this thing is gonna raise to 2 rand, maybe about 1 rand 50 kilo.
How much is the kilo now?
Now it's 50 cents now.
50 cents a kilo.
Best, yeah.
But you say one box can be more than 200 kgs.
Yeah, I can make 300 and something kgs per bag.
One bag can give you 200 rand, and then you can make 4 bags a day. Stop undermine them, respect them.
Yeah.
Bro, he's making $100 a day. Can you make $50 a day?
I don't think so. They don't want to work.
People don't want to work.
They say there's no job. Actually, there's no job in South Africa.
Yes,
because
but you have to use your hand.
You must use your mind.
They don't see, you protect yourself like this. You cover your eyes, you cover your nose, you cover your, just for you not to get sick.
Disease, yeah.
You take this risk to make your money.
To support my family.
Bro,
to support
$100 a day by collecting carton box.
Yeah.
$100 a day by being a recycling man. What are you waiting for? Are you still crying that you don't have business? Are you still crying that there's no job? Please, see the way he cover his hand.
Yeah.
See the way he's cover his hand, his head, his eyes, his nose.
Yeah.
And then he still have his music here to listen to keep him busy.
Yeah.
And then he make $100. We're not talking about 100 rand a day. We talk about $100, 1,600 a day. Bro, I never know. I really respect.
Sometimes you must hustle for your responsibilities.
Yes, my brother.
But if you don't do this the way we do it now, you will suffer the whole life, and you will end up in prison.
You end up in prison, right?
Yes. We avoid prison is the way we do. We avoid to criticize other people, take other people's stuff. We avoid all of that. That's why we are
you doing only carton box and plastic?
Actually, as long as it's recycling.
Yeah, so even if it's a metal,
I can do.
Even if it's aluminium.
Yeah, aluminium can.
Yes.
Steel can.
Steel can.
Like bomba bottle. Those empties for beer.
Oh, so and you, in fact, it's not only carton box and plastic that you recycle. No. You recycle everything.
Like scrap.
As long is acceptable in the scrapyard.
In the scrapyard.
You do that one.
I do everything like that.
My brother.
Yes.
You teach me a lot of things today because I didn't know. I really, in the bottom of my heart, I didn't know that you can be, you can take recycling as your business. Till you inform me today.
For sure.
Because hey, Buti, I'm so happy that you teach me today something. Yeah. And then I hope somebody will see my video or somebody will get inspired from this. Because many of our brothers just sitting home doing nothing, say there's no job. And end of the day, you will go and touch something which not belong to you. When you touch something which not belong to you, you end up in jail.
In jail, for sure.
And then that's not what we want.
That one is not what we want.
Every area in Johannesburg, in South Africa, we got dustbin. All the complexes, all the houses got dustbin. We just need to go there and collect, find out where the scrapyard is. Even if you don't have an organization, you just find out where the scrapyard is and sell your product there.
For sure. For sure.
And you don't invest anything. It's only your time, your energy.
No.
That's all.
Yeah.
And if you are going to be shy that people seeing you walking around with this, you will never do it.
You will sleep your stomach empty, I'm telling you.
How long have you been doing this already?
It's more than years and years, man. More than decade actually, about 10 years.
Are you telling me you have been recycling for more than 10 years?
Yeah.
You have been recycling box, plastic, any scrap?
Any scrap.
For more than 10 years?
You know, actually, if you...
And you have been doing it every day? Up to today?
Up to today.
Wow. Wow.
Yes,
you are actually an inspiration. You don't know that, but you are an inspiration.
Thank you very much.
I'll put this thing in my vlog.
Thank you very much.
Maybe you can inspire other person somewhere who doesn't understand what is recycling. My brother, I believe that, God will bless you. Because you don't know what you have shared now. What you have shared now, is more than inspiration.
Yeah.
David. So to conclude our conversation, what can you say to the young people out there? What can you say to those who undermine your business? Those who doesn't give respect to people who recycle? What difficulty do you got across when you are recycling on your daily business? Let's start from the difficulty you got in your business. When you go and collect it, people live around. Do you have any issue with them?
No, I don't have issue about those who don't love what I do. I have an issue for those who wanted to do, but they don't know how to do it. Guys, I said to you there by Emakaya, wake up and make it happen.
Make it happen.
If you don't want to make it happen when time is here, you will lose everything in your life.
Really?
So if you can't beat them, just join them, guys. It's the only thing I can say to you.
Say it again. If you can
beat them, just join them.
Just join them.
Because if you didn't join them in time, you'll lose many
and somebody will join them. And you'll be sitting there crying.
And then you'll cry there and say, government, grant, government, this, government. No, it's not about government, it's about you. As Africans, let's love each another. Let's try to be one, let's unite.
Okay.
Because if we don't do that, we'll lose our color skin, we'll lose our land, as we call it, African land.
Exactly.
We must be Africans, we must love ourselves. Let's forget about past tense. Let's become in present tense now. Because this is a new millennium.
Don't do drugs.
Yeah, don't do drugs, don't do alcohol. Don't do stuff like it's gonna put you in danger, that you will lose yourself.
Learn to do something.
Learn to do something, as I.
Yes.
Please, guys. Let's quit everything. Let's concentrate on work.
Thank you, David. Thank you very much, David. Thank you. That was a David.